Today we will be using Nano Banana, currently one of the most powerful AI image generator by Google. There are multiple ways which you can use to access Nano Banana. The official Nano Banana is available at Google Gemini. The better way is to access Nano Banana by using LM Arena. The access is currently free, but we don't know how long this would last. To get the model, sign into LM Arena, select Direct Chat, and select Gemini 2.5 Flash. This would be the model for Nano Banana. Sometimes the servers on LM Arena can be quite slow. You can also use Google Gemini directly to access Nano Banana. On Google Gemini, make sure you are using the same Gemini 2.5 Flash. Alternatively, you can also use websites with API access to Gemini, such as OpenArt. Just make sure you are also using the Gemini 2.5 Flash. The operation for Nano Banana is exactly the same for all websites, but we will be switching websites in case any of them hits congestion. For this example, we will be using Google Gemini. Make sure 2.5 Flash is selected. Select Upload Files and select the photos that we want to edit. Say, if we want to change the color of Spider-Man, we can type in the command to change its color. Type in change color of Spider-Man to blue, and Nano Banana will do its magic. Pretty impressive. We can also combine characters into image with Nano Banana. Say if we have two characters that we want to combine them into a scene. Just upload these two images. Next, add the command that we want the scene to be. Put Spider-Man and Xenomorph together into a cyberpunk ruined city. Nano Banana will analyze these images and combine it together into a single image based on our commands. Nano Banana is also powerful enough to generate multiple images from a single reference photo. To do that, we will be using our Spider-Man reference. Upload the photo, and you can type in the command based on the camera angle and position that you want the photo to be. For this case, we want Nano Banana to generate the back of Spider-Man. Think of the possibilities that you can do with frame generation video. You can add any actions and effects into Spider-Man for video generations, and Nano Banana is capable of retaining the character's consistency. For the next example, we will be adding a Coke into the Xenomorph's hand. Once you have uploaded both photos, make sure you type in a very detailed command. We will type, make the Xenomorphs hold the Coke on a white background. For the last example, we will be changing text on the Coke bottle. Upload the photo that we want. Next, type in the command and description, and we want Nano Banana to perform on the image. For this case, we will change the text Coca-Cola to Nuka-Cola. Nano Banana is capable of detecting and changing the text on the can. Nano Banana even changed the labeling beneath it. The sky and your imagination is the limit when using Nano Banana. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial.